If you think Dubai is only for luxury lovers and thrill seekers, think again. Here's why your kids will have the time of their lives in this megacity. From the tallest skyscrapers to the sandy shores, Dubai is a wonderland for kids. Start with KidZania, an interactive city where kids can role-play as grown-ups. Firefighters, chefs, you name it. Next, head to Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. Watch their eyes light up as they come face to face with sharks and rays. And don't forget the Dubai Safari Park. A ride through this park will bring them up close to exotic animals they've only seen in books. For water fun, Wild Wadi Water Park is a must. With its thrilling slides and lazy rivers, it's a splash-tastic day out. And if they still have energy to burn, head to Dubai Parks and Resorts. Home to Motion Gate and Legoland, it's a dream come true for little adventurers. So pack your bags and get ready for an adventure. Dubai isn't just a playground for adults, it's a magical world for kids too. Happy travels.